Hello and welcome to Smitty's. I am a wood cutting fanatic who loves to run a chainsaw. I run alcohol chainsaws, ported chainsaws, I race chainsaws, and I even run the occasional vintage. Now remember, I cannot do this without you. You're everything to the channel, so please remember, subscribe, give that thumbs up, leave that comment. Today, we are going to have a lot of fun. So how you doing? It's a little breezy out here today. Can you hear the noise in the background? She's quite breezy, so you have to forgive me if it kind of screws with the mic. But we're going to be cutting some wood here. You see, a while back I picked up a 372 XP Pro, one of the Husqvarna Pro versions, and I got it used off eBay, and it needed a new top end. So we threw a big bore top end on it. No port work, it's just a base gasket delete with a muffler mod. And if you guys have ever been curious to see how one of those setups kind of perform, if you go big bore, but a big branch just fell behind you. But anyway, if you guys have ever been curious to see how that kind of a setup performs, where you just take a big bore base gasket, delete it, do a little simple muffler mod to open her up some and give it a run, you know what I mean? If you've been curious about that, you're going to get to see it here today. But I'm going to try to keep it tuned a little bit on the rich side. It is, it's a fresh build. Everything is new. So I'm going to try to keep it a little bit on the rich side. I got my screwdriver ready. But I got to be careful because I don't want to cut on everything here. Some of this I'm planning on milling into lumber. So I'm going to be kind of picky and choosy what I cut on. Basically, the poplar, I'm going to try to avoid it. I'm going to try to turn it into lumber. And I may even try to pick out a piece of oak or two to turn into lumber. So, going to be careful what we cut on. But what do you say we give this 372 a run and see how she does? I don't know what, I'm probably going to have to climb around through this pile here until I find some wood that I like that I want to cut on. But, it is what it is. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoy it. So there we go. A good little run helping it to break in, you know what I mean? But did you notice how as I kept running it, the tune seemed to be getting leaner and leaner and leaner? We're gonna keep an eye on that. Oh, Cody's back there. You gonna say hi? They're back here playing on the wood. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. Possible air leak, but it might just be that it's a fresh build and I needed to find that tune, you know what I mean? So we'll see. We'll see how she goes. He's back here waving again. Alrighty, but I hope you enjoyed this little video. The saw's running great otherwise. We'll just keep an eye on that tune and see if she changes over time, if I have to keep chasing the tune, because chances are I think there might be another air leak in there somewhere. I already did the seals, but there might be something else leaking. I'm suspicious that the impulse, the where the impulse comes out of the crankcase or whatever. They're common to leak, so we'll see. There might be another air leak somewhere, but we'll keep an eye on it. Alrighty, so hey, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.